Good morning students. English grammar class 3rd lesson 1 the sentence. Read these words. Fruit is an apple. Is girl a good Mary? Grass eats a cow. Do these words make sense? No, they do not make sense. Now read the same word in another order. An apple is a fruit. Mary is a good girl. A cow eats grass. So students, you can see that in the upper sentence the words are not placed properly, but in the lower sentences, the below sentences, the sentences are arranged properly and they are making sense. Definition of sentence. A sentence is a group of words which make complete sense. The sentence must begin with a capital letter. A full stop must be placed at the end of the sentence. Example: an apple is a fruit. It is wrong because the initial letter, the A letter, it is not in capital, and at the end of the sentence there is no full stop. So again we have written an apple is a fruit, where an A is capital and at the end full stop is placed. So whenever we are writing a sentence, we must begin with a capital letter and end it with the full stop. Exercise 1. Arrange these words to make sentences. Remember to add capital letters and full stop. So in your book, this is the first exercise and the words are placed incorrectly. So we have to arrange it, and with the using of capital letters and full stop, we have to make a proper sentence. So first, cocks crow morning in the. Cocks crow in the morning. Second, thief catches the policeman. The policeman catches the thief. Third, nest built in trees, birds. Birds build nests in trees. Fourth, fly birds can fast very. Birds can fly very fast. Fifth, a breast has the red robin. A robin has a red breast. Sixth, in boys are flying park, there the kites. The boys are flying kites in their park. 7. On days fine blue is the sky. The sky is blue on fine days. 8. A strong elephant is an animal very. An elephant is a very strong animal. 9. Trees are there in the house front of. There are trees in front of the house. Exercise 2. Write the sentences with capital letters and full stop. So in your book, these sentences were given in the form of paragraph and it was not used by capital letters and full stop. So I have arranged these sentences in a proper order. First, Sunday is the last day of the week. Second, there are 7 days in a week. Third, 24 hours make a day. Fourth, a year has 12 months. Fifth, February is the shortest month of the year. Sixth, June is the hottest month of the year. Seventh, there are 365 days in a year. Eighth, my favorite months are October and December. 9. We have many festivals in these months. 10. Children love these festivals. Homework. Write the sentences again with capital letters and full stops. First, I am learning how to swim. Second, Arun has a new puppy. Third, this is a shuttlecock. So you have to rewrite in capital letters and full stop wherever necessary. Arrange these words to make proper sentences. First, fast runs Peter. Second, reading is a show. So the words are here and there. You have to make a proper sentence. Thank you.